Today we're going to paint the Acanthus, also known as bear's breeches, and we're going to do it in color. Practice your leaves that are in the first video on how to make lobed variegated leaf. Okay, and this is the leaf, and this is the flower called the bract, B-R-A-C-T, and I have this growing in my yard wild at this time of year. So you can see, let me get close up, you can see that there's spikes on my variety, spikiness. But I'm doing this spontaneous style, so I'm not going to use those spikes because we're going to have a viewed in the garden with other plants, and so it'll be further away. But if you want to do detail, that would be very interesting.